Here we have some of those 3D printed train drivers. Very roughly painted. They're just a representation. They all had brown hair when they were hired that year. So we'll see how they look. Yeah, got a couple for my Accurascale. That is down here. And on the seat there you can see a bit of old thin double-sided tape. It's this variety here that you get with Tamiya truck trailer sets for holding the deck down. That's perfect, it's very thin. And I'm just going to put a little bit on their butt. And yeah, 2 for the Accurascale Class 37, and I've got 2 for my Bachmann 37 that I'm working on at the moment as well. So I will just cut a bit of this tape and put a couple in, set them there, and then I'll put the shell on and see how they look. And here we have the crew sitting in the cab of the Class 37, sorry, excuse me. And there's the female second crew. What are they? Observer, second driver. Don't really know. So we'll slip the body on now and see how it looks. Right, I'll just put the light on the phone. There you go, it's a female looking out the window there. You can see them both in there. Certainly look like engine drivers. I've actually mucked up. I was going to put the main engine driver in without a hat on, but oh, they've both got their blue caps. Blue cap day. Righto, looks great. Love this Accurascale Class 37. I've got a bit of detail on the front there now. And the crew in there, ready for some nice running.